There's nothing more nerve-wracking than taking the dashboard apart in your brand new ute, but it's necessary to set up your new D27 Navara or MV Triton for towing or touring. Today, we're taking the guesswork out of it and tearing down this dashboard step by step. You only need 2 tools for this job, something to undo the screws like an impact driver or a screwdriver, and a plastic trim tool. Now you could use a flat blade screwdriver, but you do risk damaging the trims when removing them. First thing we need to do is remove this trim panel here. It's just attached by a heap of pop-in clips, but it also goes behind this door rubber. And then gently try to put your trim tool in here. Just work yourself around. Don't try and just pull it from one end because you'll break the clips. Now you've got that removed, it's time to remove this air vent. This is also just attached by push-in clips, so you just need to get in here, pry a bit of the bottom out, and then try and give it an even pull all the way around. Now you've got that out, it's time to undo this one screw here. And then this trim here still has some clips that you need to pull on. And there you go, that's removed. Okay, so once you're at this point, if you're looking to add any accessories into these switch blanks, you can just put your finger in here and push the blanks out and add any accessory you want. This trim is all just with push-in clips, so I recommend opening the glove box, getting your trim tool on the side here, and just giving it a bit of a tweak. Then just work your way along. The last bit, a bit of a pull. Then you need to undo your hazard button. Now we need to remove the head unit. There's 2 screws here, and there's one in the middle. Now you've got those 3 undone, you just need to make sure you support it around evenly and just give it a bit of a pull. Now we have the head unit out, we need to do up these 2 screws. This is what's causing the noise. Just like the driver's side, you need to remove this trim and the rubber. Pop a couple of clips, then give it a little bit of a pull. Once you've got that off, undo this screw here. Maybe open the glove box and just get your fingers along here and give it a bit of a pull. You can grab your cup holder, slide it into position and just push it in so the clips go home. Now time to put it all back together the way you took it apart. Now remember, if you need parts for your Navara, make sure you head over to navarapart.com.au.